So now it has been started recording. Okay.
Okay,
So now you tell me first. You introduce first about yourself.
okay. My introduction. Okay.
Yeah.
I would love to know my introduction. And yes, hi. This is me, Admi Khudiram Murmu, and I am from Jharkhand, India. Eh, Talking about my
Yeah.
educations, I studied till the UG. Thereafter, yes, I quit my study, and right now I'm learning English spoken journey. Right. And
Yes.
I love to reading book. And so far I have read the books The Secret. And my short term hobby is to learn English spoken. Yes, and I believe in trust. And yes, that was
Yeah.
my very brief introduction.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Your introduction is very good. And now should I start my introduction?
Sure.
Okay. So my name is Biki Kumar and I am from Gaji district of Bihar. And now I am pursuing BA. Uh, and I want to become a teacher. So that's why I'm learning this language because because I want to travel whole India. That's why this language is helpful for me because without this language I can't communicate out of my state. Okay. And if I talk about my hobby,
Okay.
then I like playing cricket and I love to talk with other person. Okay. So this is my short introduction.
Nice. Good actually. So, Mr. Biki Kumar, how long have you been learning this English language?
Okay, how have I been learning this language?
Yes.
Yes. By the way, your voice is breaking up.
Oh my goodness. I'm very sorry. It's a network
Due to
network issue. I have not in
yes,
my hand. I'm sorry. Yes. By the way, I'm
yes,
really outside of. You can see I'm in the outside of my field. Yeah.
yes, yes. Due to network problems in my side also, that's why uh, voice is breaking up.
Yes. Sometimes happened actually. It's
So now my voice is how is my voice now?
it's good actually. Good.
Yeah. So what did you say?
I mean, how long have you been learning this language?
Okay, how I have been learning this language. By the way,
Yes.
I have started learning this language before 2 years. Okay,
Two
and I
years.
have
Okay.
yes, and I have started learning. I have started speaking this language before three 3 months. Before 3 months. Okay,
Good.
because
And I think
because I thought until when I will keep learning. So now I need to start speaking. Until we speak, I think it will take more time. That's why I'm practicing
more
of
time.
speaking English with the people.
Do you think really English is very hard or it is easy?
No, it is not hard and it is easy. Just we need to create
It is.
environment of speaking English. Okay, if you take it is easy, then definitely it is going for you easy. But you think it is hard, then yes, you will take more time for learning this language because
Nice.
it is not our mother tongue. That's so we can take more time.
Nice actually. Really, I when I try to speak while talking. Sometimes what happened actually, I forgot the some vocabulary and some words, and really I stuck. And if I'm speaking when I was in a movie or in YouTube any video, that time really I get inspired. And when it's come to speak in English, at that time it's happened with me. So I think this is the lack of practice. how do you maintain this kind of resolve actually this kind of problem? Uh, did it happen with you like this while talking speak in English with somebody else?
Yes, yes, yes. It happened with anyone. Okay. So, and because we are new learner, okay, and we have started speaking English recently, so it's a common thing for us. What after some days, some months, we we will remove our hesitation and we will start speaking English without fear and hesitation. So just we need to get into the habit of speaking English, and so before that we have to face problem like this.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So are you doing any kind of activity rather than doing practicing speaking? Actually, I think speaking is not too easy, but what kind of activity you do as a practice?
Yes, yes. Yes. I do two three kinds of activity for learning English of speaking.
Okay,
Because I every day try to write a story. Okay,
okay, okay,
and after that I imitate myself in front of camera. Okay, I put camera and I put and open my camera and try to speak whatever I have learned. Okay,
And then-
and if any new word I found in the story, I try to search on ChatGPT, Google, and try to know the actual meaning of that word. And after that, I create 5 to 6 sentences from one word. Okay.
this is good actually. Really sometimes I give excuses and yes, if I will make my promise and really at least
Yes.
hardly 1 week I will do thereafter really what happened really some timetable will disturb actually. So really actually I'm not I can't do in a continuous way. Sometimes it's happened with me. So do you think say how actually this kind of situation I can handle? What do you think?
Yes. No, no, no. It is a very easy. Just, just think we have to do a little things, and make your routine a simple routine. Don't try to make a hard routine that can't be followed. Okay, according to your time, according to your situation, and fix some routine and fix some goal. I have to done within 6 days, 7 days, 10 days. Okay, and just try to finish and done. Yes, I'm able to do this in this fixed time or not. And if you done, then next try to make next a step and use your next step as what I need to do after this.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
This is good actually. Yeah, that's how I'm
yes,
also learning actually. Uh,
yes,
what is the main reason to learning this English spoken language? Is there is any difference like speaking English or communication skill? What do you think?
yes. What did you say? Please repeat.
I mean, like speaking English or communication, speaking English communication skills. Is there any difference? I think say, I don't know. Actually, just I sometimes it's happened my ends. Actually, I think like that. Is there any different communication is different or speaking English is different?
Yes, yes, yes. It's very different because you told about speaking English or a skill, okay, and
Okay.
communication a skill. So speaking means you can speak anything, okay. And if we talk about as communication of a skill in the term of a skill, then we need to use according to situation. We use according to situation what what is suitable for that time according to time. Okay, and speaking means we can talk anything. We use any word. Okay, yeah, and we need to focus grammatically mistake on uh, grammatically mistake also. If you talk about a skill,
Okay. Okay. So, what is your right now? Actually, you are really you can express anything, I think.
Yes.
So uh, is there any kind of words, is there any kind of certain point where you are thinking, yes, this is my very weakness point, so how do you overcome from this kind of situation?
Uh, you mean how we can talk and for long time
Yes,
without
yes, for
thinking,
long time
without thinking.
without thinking. And really what's happened sometime you don't have that much knowledge about the things or topics, so how will you make conversations keep on actually in this kind of situations, right?
No. Yeah. First of all, without thinking, we can't speak anything. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
As you know, before speaking, we think. We take some time. Okay. Without thinking, we can't speak. If you try to speak without thinking, then you will make mistake. Definitely, you will make mistake. So first of all, it is a process. So first of all, we have to go through this process. We need to read every day a story, and whatever happening around us, just try to tell ourselves in our way about the situation.
Okay.
Yes,
Do you have any kind of plan for this new year 2026?
yes,
In
yes,
which sector
yes, yes,
will? Okay.
yes. I have planned. I have planned after at least uh, two after 2 months. I will be a fluent English speaker. Anyhow, I don't know how I will. Just I have to become a fluent English speaker. Okay,
Nice,
before
actually.
before ending the April month.
I'm really a regret, and sometime I I really regret actually sometime what happened. I can't imagine what will I do. Like that's I think that actually I'm not getting success too much in any sector, so that's a little bit confused in my mind.
Why do you confused? Because whatever happened, and we should
I
not
don't know
regret
why
about that.
actually it's happened with me.
Because
Yes.
yes, yes. Oh, because and now we need to talk about our future and the next for the next step. What I can do more. Yes,
Okay.
because bro, everyone is learning. Okay, but still there are many person who has no started speaking English. So at least we are talking, so we are lucky person. Okay, you think about yourself, and we are talking, so we are in the golden time. This is a golden period for us. At least we are talking, we are sharing our feelings with each other.
Okay.
If someone don't dare to talk with other, they feel shy. They hesitate to come in front of people to talk, to speak in English. Yes.
Is there any kind of uh, method or tactics which if I will follow that I can be a very soon fluent speaker?
By the way, I am using three kinds of a step of learning speaking English. That is helping me a lot. Okay. First, first step is imagine. I I imagine the situation what is happening, and I try to create situation myself. And over the situation, I try to create short story myself. And next step is shadowing practice. I think you know about it. Shadow practice.
Shadow means?
Suppose you are watching any short story, okay,
Yes.
and in short story, first sentence is there was a king. In a story, in a story,
There was a king.
repeat, yeah, there was a king. So after that, he told there was a king. After that, you repeat that sentence, same sentence. There was a king.
Okay, there was a
Okay.
king.
Yes. Yes. Same sentence we need to repeat. So
Okay.
this process is called shadowing practice.
Shadow practice. Okay. This is also
Yes,
good
yes.
actually.
And third one is very easy. Okay, and it is easy, but I think according to me, I think it take more time. Uh, I First of all, I write a story. Suppose I watch, and after that I write in the copy, and after that same to same, I just try to imitate and speak. Okay, first
Okay. Okay.
first I find a peaceful place where I can feel confident, and and out over over the palace, I try to speak.
Good actually. Really.
Yes.
Yes, I'm also trying. I don't follow any kind of a technique or method. Just I do the things. I collect the some vocabulary and just I will try to use in sentences. Okay, that's all. And if I will get a chance that time, I will speak with anybody else. Okay,
Not
and yes.
yes. Where are you talking from? Are you in your field?
Sorry.
Are you talking from your field?
Just wait.
Are you
So
talking from your field?
yes, I'm talking from field actually. I'm outsider look at the. You can see the look out outside view actually. I'm not
Yes, yes,
actually. Yeah. It is very close to the forest. You can see my beside.
yes. I can see there are lots of tree behind you.
Yeah, yes,
Yes, and one house is also.
yes. That is good actually. It is sunny day, but really it's wind is blowing, and yes, really wind is blowing in my body. Really, body is thrilled actually, right? uh,
Okay. And we have been talking since 18 minutes. Okay,
15 minute, right? Yes, yes. At
18,
least
15.
it is about to 20 minutes.
Yes, it is about to become 20 minutes. It is completed, I think. Just we
Okay,
will
nice.
complete 20 minutes after some minutes.
Uh, Really.
And
So you are going to upload this video on YouTube?
yes, yes, definitely. I will after conversation, I
Okay,
will
okay.
upload on my YouTube channel. Yes. So, are you thinking anything?
Not.
Are you feeling shy?
Uh, I'm not feeling. By the way, just actually, I think I'm not. Uh, I want to speak any kind of some certain word which is really not coming on my mind right now. So a little
Yes,
bit, I'm confused like that.
yes,
Yeah.
it is happening with me also, not only with you. Okay.
Hey,
When
this is
when
good.
I talk with yes, when I talk with people, I also not in. I can't use so many new words that I have studied, that I have learned today. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yes. So, do you want to ask any question?
I think really this is very first time. I think yes. I will try to ask some question. Next conversation. Okay. Right now, really
Yes,
in my
yes, yes,
mind, not coming any word
yes,
or question. What will I ask actually? Right?
yes, yes, yes. So no, and after this conversation, I will think something different, and
Okay,
you
okay.
will feel confidence for yes next time.
Sure, sure,
Definitely, you feel confidence. Okay.
sure.
So nice, bro. Nice to meet you. It was a happy conversation with you. So I
Yes,
bye.
yes. It is a very good platform, really, and this is very first time I connect with you. I'm really feeling very pleasure with you here talking, and yes, thank you for
Okay,
this
okay,
wonderful chance.
okay, okay. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.
All the best. Yes.